In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change password login format on your Hikvision DVR from this letter format and then to this pattern format. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, now whenever I want to log in my Hikvision DVR, this is the password format that I have. You can see this one can be a bit stressful to log in. You can see that you will have to put your letters here. Maybe you can combine letters and numbers to log in, as I am actually logging in right now. It's very stressful, you can see, right? So I want to show you how you can change it into a pattern format. You can see now, to change this password format to a pattern whereby you just drop pattern, it's very simple. You can come right here, and right here you can see here configuration. Tap on it. If you tap on the configuration, then look for user. Come this way, you can see here user. Tap on user. If you tap on user, you can see I have here one admin. The admin means that because I have actually already enabled the other password. So to change the password format to pattern, I'll come here on this edit here. You can see here edit. I'll tap on this edit. If I tap on this edit, they will ask me to put my normal password, the one I have before. So I will tap on this edit and put my normal letter password so that I can be able to change the pattern. So I'll put my password here. If I put my password here, I'll tap on this OK. So if I tap on OK, I will have access to change the pattern. So you can see right here, unlock pattern. You can see, just tap on it. If you tap on it, then you can see here enable. Just toggle this on to enable it. Then you can see here draw a new unlock pattern. So you can come here and draw a pattern of your choice. You can decide to do a Z like this, like Z, this, or this. So I will draw a pattern of my choice. I'll come here and click and hold it here and drag it to draw a C. So I will draw a C. I will release it. Then you can see here confirm pattern. So I'll come here and do it again for the second time. Another C again and release it. And you can see here, please remember your pattern. So after here, I come here and click on this OK. So right now you can see here parameter configured. So right now I've actually enabled a pattern login format instead of normal letters login format. For instance, if I come on this live view here and tap on it, and if I log or if I log out from here, for instance, now if I want to log in again and tap here to log in, you can see right now they will ask me to enter this pattern to log in instead of normal letters. So I'll just come right here and tap here and just click and drag my C pattern, and later you can see right now I have login. You can see, guys, it's just very simple and easy. So thanks for watching and bye.